Hi there, this is live, very intense, heavy, aggressive, thundery shower, windy weather, Woking Town, UK 2026. Like this video, press the thumbs up on the right screen. Continue to subscribe to my channel and AG Evans on YouTube. Time to make it digital, digital. It's 14:20 p.m. in the afternoon, hour long. That is 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is February the 16th, Monday afternoon, UK 2026. Like it's very gusty winds, tree shaking about up there. Very heavy thundery shower over Woking Town. This is Thames Man. This is Thames Man. Put a thumbs up on that screen. Please subscribe. Find it with my friends working in Zimba. Every Friday at 3 to 5 p.m. after 5 things. I feel radio fish every Friday. My friend John, last show every Sunday. At 9 to 12 and 9 on the Waking radio session on last show every Sunday. So wicked, very tense, aggressive, windy, heavy thunder shower over Woking Town. Right, isn't it? Put a thumbs up on that screen. Please subscribe. I'm fine. AJ, this is Thames Man. This is Thames Man.